I'm Sam Kingsley. I did my BTech in aerospace engineering. My program course is immediately after that, I waited for a 6 months period waiting for placement. And after that, my choice of option was postgraduate data analytics and data science. So after that, right now I worked in a company in a startup called Pinaka Technologies for 1.5 years. And now I'm working in another startup. I just joined the company 2 weeks ago, and I'm working in another startup called iBridge Analysis and Development Private Limited. So the clients we work with are all kinds of US based clients. Any kind of document, all kinds of document analysis basically. So ranging from health insurance, car insurance, car service documents. Our clients range from US government and BMW, Mercedes, and all these kinds of motor giants as well. So this is the kind of work I've been working with computer vision and NLP as well. My life before doing this course was pretty straightforward. There was nothing. There was no multiple options. I was always straightforward with my life, what I wanted to do, and immediately after my high school graduation, I knew what to do. I chose aerospace engineering, and immediately after that, I was placed as Cognizant as a software engineer. I was not very happy with the placement that I received because obviously it's a different field. And I was interested in artificial intelligence as well. So I was looking for courses while I was waiting for the job call from Cognizant. While I was waiting, I decided, okay, let me go for this course from artificial intelligence. I had multiple options, and in this courses, I had an opportunity from Singapore to study artificial intelligence for 2 months, industry professionals, and I had a beautiful opportunity. But I decided to go ahead with Imaticus because here we had staff that were engaging with the students. So one of the staff, Mr. Vijay Kumar, so is a very very much of an inspiration to us. So I was very intrigued by his career and the way he teaches. So I had people who referred me to Imaticus Learning. So they also told me about the institute and the faculty. So I was very interested in joining Imaticus rather than joining Imaticus. I had a guarantee. So joining Imaticus with a guarantee rather than joining Singapore Institute without a guarantee, I chose Imaticus, and it has brought me to this opportunity. Maybe life would have been different if I opted for Singapore, but I don't regret my choices. The curriculum is it covers everything from ranging from the basics of machine learning. So if you're going to study machine learning, the basics of it starts from Python, statistics, probability, Excel, SQL, all of these technologies brought together, and we study all of these technologies from basic to the advanced level. And going forward with machine learning, we study everything there is to know, ranging from the basics, linear regression, to even the complex concepts such as PCA, PSME, UMAP, kind of clustering algorithms. So all of these algorithms and dimensional directionality techniques. So there is a lot of technical knowledge that you can gain from this curriculum. And deep learning as well. We do have I don't know the syllabus right now, but when we were studying, we did have the syllabus to go deep into it. Computer vision, NLP, generative AI. We were given the opportunity. We were given the lessons to build a chatbot as well. So curriculum-wise, this is one of the best curriculum that I've seen in most of the courses for artificial intelligence. Staff, again, as I mentioned, Mr. Vijay Kumar is a beautiful. Is very much of a tech person. He has deep insights to share, something that you will learn on a deep level. You will learn a lot from the man. And currently we have another staff, Jeffrey, as well. He's a man that you can learn a lot from, not just in career aspects, but also in the life soft skills and how to manage your stress. And there's so much that you can learn from these people. This course, obviously, I will recommend to anyone who is interested in studying machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science. Obviously, because I love the opportunities we have given here to learn, to study, to collaborate with the people, with anyone who's interested in studying about the course. We had opportunities to mingle with the peers and learn a lot of stuff from them as well. We have peers from all the backgrounds. So we have people who are studying from mechanical, aerospace, myself, people who did computer science and then coming here. Yes, they help you to go to the professional experience from a fresher. So from a fresher point of view, you have the experience, you have the knowledge that you require to directly join the job. So we do learn a lot of important concepts in Imaticus and how to apply them directly, not just the theoretical stuff. We also learn the application, practical side of it. The staff are very insightful, very friendly, very approachable. They encourage studying, learning, and it's a beautiful environment to be here for the 6 months of your life. So spending the 6 months here instead of any other institute that takes the same course, I would say would be worth it. So iMatic helped me with streamlining my thoughts again. Before I joined this course, obviously, as I mentioned, my life was pretty straightforward. I knew what to do. But once I had that career gap of 6 months, I was not aware of what to do. So once I joined iMaticus, I was given the thought of, I was given the idea of what to do with my life. So once I finished the course, I was immediately given the opportunity to be placed in one of the companies. And Mr. Mukesh, the placement coordinator, he was the one who referred. In a sense, he was the one who mentioned the opportunity to us. So we were able to go to the company directly, give a, it was a face-to-face interview. So it was walk-in. So we walked into the place, we had the interview. It was a beautiful experience, and we were very well aware of what to do and what the interview etiquette is. Mr. Maninder, he helped us with a lot of these soft skills as well, how to speak and how to be etiquette, go and shake your hands, and all of these things you learn from this place. And once I knew what to do, and immediately I had the first interview from the company that I first worked for. I cracked my first interview and I was able to get through, all because of iMaticus and the lessons that I learned in this place.